lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here again, Blessing Ifreke. Guys, how are you all doing? It's been quite a while. It's been quite a while. I've been off this camera. I've not sat in front of this camera for like 3 weeks or maybe 4 weeks. Let's just say 4 weeks. I've not been here. I've not done any stuff here on this channel. It's beginning to get me really worried. You know, it has not been easy. The struggle has been so real. So that's why I've been off. In this video, I'm just going to tell you what I have been up to. What has actually been happening to your girl. Okay, so I was not lost. I didn't disappear. Something kept me. Back to my channel. All my OGs, you're welcome. Those that have looked out for me, thank you so very much. You're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, like this is your first time seeing this lovely face, you are super welcome. Like I said, my name is Blessing Ifreke, and in this channel we do a lot of talk, sit and talk, shows or videos on motherhood, parenthood, if I want to put it that way, you know, family, couple, relationship, everyday life, and all of that. And then we do some recipe and some fashion stuff. That is what we do basically on this channel. So I create content around all of this I have mentioned. Okay, so that's what we do here. But like I said, for some time, I've been quite off the line. I've been quite off the line for some reasons. But I am back. I am back here again, okay? So I'm just making this video to say thank you to all of you for coming back. Thank you for sticking around with me. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like what you will be seeing at the end or hearing at the end of this video. And of course, endeavor to check my other videos so that you know what I do here on this channel. If you like what you see, don't fail to subscribe, okay? Don't fail to join this beautiful family so we can run things together right here on this channel. Okay, you are all super welcome in advance. Thank you all, my OGs, for sticking around with me once again. So what is up in this video? Guys, it has not been easy with me. You know, stress has been dealing with me. I am practically struggling to keep myself on track. You know, when I got into this YouTube store, when I got involved with YouTube, it was at that period of lockdown during the pandemic that everywhere was locked up or locked down. We are just basically doing nothing, just staying at home, looking for 1 or 2 things to do to keep yourself busy. And it was during this period that I actually got involved with YouTube. So all the while we've been home, it has been quite easy for me. I found no difficulty in making videos, creating content, posting, and all of that. It has been quite easy. But of course, you all know being a content creator is not easy. You're going to get the video ideas in your head. You're going to make your video or film your video. You're going to edit. You're going to post and all of that. And believe me, they are quite time consuming. So the struggle has been quite real. Now that the lockdown has been lifted, it has been relaxed, everything is returning to normalcy, work is resuming as normal, school have resumed, and we are back, you know, to our normal hustle and bustle. It is no longer easy for me. All right, so I found it pretty difficult to live up with my expectation of being consistent with posting my videos. Okay, I have to be a mother, I have to be a wife, I have to be a worker, and then I need to keep up with being a content creator. It has not been funny. It has not been funny, guys. It has not been funny. So that is what has actually kept me off, you know, the line for this long period, or should I say brief? Maybe brief period. Let me not say long, because long look, it sounds so negative. So let me just say for this brief period, okay? So how has my day been like? How is my day like? Let me just describe what it is like for you every day of my life. Okay, it's not a vlog, but I'm just going to give you a brief description of what I do every day. Probably you will understand why it has been printed off on me. I wake up in this house 4 o'clock every day. And if I have some extra stuff to do before going to work, I might be getting up about 3 o'clock in the morning. That is 3 a.m. in the morning. So 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning, I am up. I prepare breakfast, prepare the kids for school, prepare my husband, prepare myself for, work. And then we get going. We leave the house, get involved with, school work, school runs, stuff here and there. And before we talk of coming back to the house, it's around 4 p.m., And maybe it's days I need to do some shopping as I'm returning from school, returning from work. I have to go do some shopping, come back to the house, go back or start all over again from where I ended in the morning. Maybe prepare lunch, something little the kids can just eat to keep themselves, going till dinner is ready. Get dinner done, we eat dinner, and then I might return from, I came back with some school stuff I still need to brush through, get all of that done before I talk of going to bed every night at around 12 p.m. If it's very early, 12 p.m., sometimes 12:30 or 1 a.m. in the morning before I talk of closing my eyes to sleep. And then you talk of waking up again 4 a.m. in the morning, just about 3 hours to 4 hours sleep I get every day. And the cycle just continue on and on and on and on. When you get to school, no time, you don't relax. You are just jumping from one class to the other, doing one stuff or the other. And by the time you are done for the day, you are exhausted. Nothing else is remaining for you. Nothing else is remaining for you. No more energy. Guys, I am super stressed. It's really dawning on me. The reality has just dawned on me. It's going to be pretty difficult balancing all of this. Being a mother, being a wife, being a worker, being a content creator. So I've really sat down to see how I can reschedule my activities so that I don't get to, miss out. I don't get to break in being consistent on this channel, because I know there are people here looking up to this channel. There are people here, that want to keep up with what is happening on this channel, and I don't want to disappoint them. Okay, so these are things I have considered that has made me brace up again. Of course, when I heard about the new YouTube monetization policy, it really got me worried, because here I am struggling with how to keep up with creating content, and I'm receiving information about new policy that is actually disturbing and discouraging. But by the time I really sat down and reviewed this thing, I felt there is nothing to be discouraged about. YouTube is just doing their job. We are more or less their employee, okay? So we do their bidding. We do what they require of us. So long as we keep up with our bargain, we meet up with their target, we meet up with what they require of us, definitely we will get there. They will deliver on their own notes. So no big deal. If ads are placed on our videos and it's not generating any revenue for us, well, I just take it that it's just the same as you putting videos up there. You've not yet reached your 1,000, 4,000 watch hour or your 1,000 subscriber count and all of that. But since you've not yet reached this, you are not, you are not entitled to anything from YouTube. Okay, so it's still the same thing. Even if they place ads on your video, it's even for your own good. Placing ads on your video, it kind of exposes your video to people. That is how I see it. So it shouldn't be something that will really get us worried or get us discouraged. It should even spur us on. So we are here to stay. YouTube is here and we are here. So long as YouTube remain, we remain. Okay, no shaking, nothing is happening. We remain right here as content creators for YouTube. All right, so I'll just keep doing my stuff. I promise I'm not going to break anymore. I'm going to put myself together and see how I can reschedule my activity so that I keep up with being consistent right here. Okay, thank you so very much if you've watched this video up to this point. Thank you to all my OGs for looking out for me. Thank you to all of you who are new here, see me for the first time. Like I said, please support this family by subscribing to this channel, and believe me, you will not regret doing so. All right, you will enjoy every bit of what we do right here on this channel. So subscribe, leave your comment, let me know how you feel about what I am doing here, and of course share any video you think it's important, you really want someone else to get an information about. And if you are really new here, like I've said, please endeavor to watch my previous videos so that you know stuff we do right here. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here with me. Thank you for watching this video, and remain blessed. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye for now.